Hello everyone, welcome to Logical Tuts. In this video, I will show you how to record your screen using inbuilt software in your Mac. So you don't need to download any third-party software for this. Without any further ado, let's start the video. The software that I'm gonna use here for recording is QuickTime Player, and it's already been installed in your Mac. You can see the icon here in the dock. If you don't have the icon in the dock, you can add it. Let me just show you the procedure. Option, I'm gonna remove this icon from the dock and hit Command and space, search for QuickTime Player. You just need the icon, so I'm gonna hit cancel and this will add the icon in your dock. Right click on this icon and hit on new screen recording. You can also record audio or movie. So I'm hitting new screen recording button. This will open the selected area and you can select your entire screen for recording, or you can select your desired selected area. So for example, if I need only this portion of the screen, I can select this portion. So this is very handy tool. You have some options here also. You can select timer to start like 5 or 10 seconds, or you can also select your microphone. So I'm using built-in microphone for recording. So I'm not gonna change this. And hit on record button to start recording your video. So this is only recording the selected area, and for stop you have to click on this icon. So you can see that the recording is automatically saved on the desktop, or you can save it on your own. So you have to click on this file and hit save. So you can select any path from here and the video will be saved there. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Hope you find this video helpful, and QuickTime Player is a really handy tool to record your screen. So if you don't want to pay for softwares, you can use it, and I'm also using QuickTime Player for recording. Please do like this video. Thank you very much for your support.